Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel today. We're diving into the world of car detailing, specifically with our Fiat 500. We're tuning up our little car fresh new look. Stay tuned. Hello auto enthusiasts, I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Today, we're going to explore the world of car detailing maintenance with TKI Detailing, a leading provider of car maintenance services. They're all set to give our Fiat 500 a fresh new look. TKI Detailing prides itself on providing top-notch services that ensure your vehicle is in pristine condition. Their team of professionals are highly experienced and can cater to any need, be it for your daily driver or your prized classic car. They offer a wide range of services from basic wash to full detailing packages, and even customized services for specific needs. The benefits of maintaining your car with TKI Detailing are numerous. Firstly, their thorough cleaning process includes cleaning every nook and cranny of your vehicle. They remove dirt and grime from hard-to-reach areas, leaving your car shining and new. Secondly, they offer packages that include polishing and waxing services, which protects your paint job from fading and rust damage.